Director of Music. The mounted bands salutes the Queen. The kettle drummers cross their sticks. That's their particular form of salute as they prepare to leave the parade ground. Major Tim Cooper, Director of Music of the Blues and Royals, has been in that position since 2006. The important task now for the Director of Music is to signal that the Household Cavalry is back in position so that the parade can continue into its final phase. And by turning inwards, he will let the field officer know that the Household Cavalry is indeed ready. The only time that the colour touches the parade ground during the events today. The eyes front again achieved without any word of command. We should reflect at this point, Carew, that no one should imagine that this is the end of the day's work for some of these on parade.
No, it isn't. It's been a long day for everyone who's been on parade, but no more so than it is for the escort, the Queen's Company this year. They now go straight down to Buckingham Palace, and their reward for a good parade today is mounting guard at Buckingham Palace.
Your Majesty's Guards are ready to march off now.
Field officer has asked for and received permission to march off. Garrison Sergeant Major Bill Mott waiting on the approach road to signal to the field officer that all is ready. One of relatively few Welsh Guardsmen on parade today, and the ultimate perfectionist. His sharp eye for detail puts everyone on their guard. The march-off music. Advance as Heroes, composed by Greg Machin. Signalling the mass bands and the drums and all divisions to march off, with Her Majesty the Queen leading the way. Rousing sight, the massed bands bringing this Queen's Birthday Parade to an end. Let's have some concluding thoughts from Claire.